Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Minahil Money Wali and I'm a student in high school online academy. So today we are gonna have a call any session on the title The World's Most Favorite Word. So come let's have a conversation with Annie. Hey Annie, how are you today?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Just finished a little yoga session to clear my mind. How about you? How's your day going?
Oh, I'm great. So, Annie, today I got a task that I have to, have a hold a conversation with you on the title "The World's Most Favorite Word." So, can we like have a discussion on this topic?
Oh, that sounds fun. The world's most favorite word, I love it. I bet everyone has a different favorite word. Mine might be serendipity. It just sounds so lovely and means finding something good by chance. What about you? Do you have a favorite word?
Yeah, I have quite a few. Like I like the word jolly a lot. I don't know why. I like positivity. I like enthusiasm a lot. So yeah, these are my top three favorite words, I would say.
You're what? I'm curious. Are they your favorite qualities in people, or maybe words you try to embody yourself?
Okay, so Annie, according to research, what's the most used word that people use a lot, like their favorite, the world's most favorite word?
Great question. Research often points to love as one of the most favorite words. It's such a powerful and universal concept, right? It brings people together and conveys so much emotion. What do you think? Does love resonate with you, or do you have another word in mind that you think should top the list?
Yeah, actually, it makes sense. Yeah, when you think about it, yeah, it does make sense. Love, the meaning behind it, it definitely makes sense. What's another word that you think should be on the top? Like, okay, what's the second most used word by people around the world?
I'd say hope could be a strong contender for the second spot. It's such a comforting word, and it inspires people to look forward to better days. Plus, it can be a source of motivation during tough times. What do you think? Does hope resonate with you, or do you have another word in mind that you think should be up there?
Yeah, it does make sense. Yeah, hope is a good word too, but I think another word that should be on the list is
How about joy?
yeah.
It's such a simple
I was about to say joy.
yet powerful word that captures. No way, great minds think alike. What were you going to say about joy? I'm all ears.
Yeah, I think joy is it just I don't know how to explain that feeling, but the word joy, the meaning behind it, the emotion joy, it's just so great. So I think yeah, it should be on the list. Yeah.
Absolutely. Joy is such a pure and uplifting emotion. It can light up our days and connect us with others. It's like a little spark of happiness that can spread so easily. I love that you feel so strongly about it. Do you have any favorite moments or experiences that bring you that feeling of joy?
Yeah, okay, so let me tell you, I really like chess. So whenever like I win a chess match, usually like online, I play online chess a lot. So whenever I win like tough matches, when I win them, I get so much joy. I feel so happy. So yeah, that's one of them, the moments.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Hello, where are you, Annie? What happened?
Do you have a specific opening you enjoy, or do you like to mix it up? I'd love to hear more about your chess journey.
Yeah, I do actually have this one opening that I like a lot. It's when I move the pawn in such a way that the queen and the bishop like are free to move. If you get it, you get it. I don't remember the numbers. I think it's B4, maybe. It's B4, I think.
Got it, so it's the move one, which is known as the Polish opening. It's a fun way to surprise your opponents.
Yeah,
I love how chess can be such a creative outlet. Do you often play against friends or do you prefer online matches?
yeah, my friends, they're not that good at chess, so I play online most of the time.
That makes sense. Playing online gives you a chance to face different styles and strategies. Plus, it's a great way to challenge yourself. Do you have a favorite platform or app you use to play? And do you ever get into any intense matches?
Yeah, this app called Chess, I play on that a lot. Okay, anyways, Annie, let's discuss a bit more on the topic that I got a task on, the world's most favorite word. So let's discuss a little bit more on it and then end this session, okay? So, yeah.
Sure thing. Let's dive back into it. We've talked about love, hope, and joy. What about words that inspire action, like dream or create? Those words can really motivate people to pursue their passions.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you have any other words that inspire you?
Yeah, you're right. And yeah, there are some words like discipline, it's a good word, and consistency,
I
confidence. What do you think?
That's such a powerful reminder. Consistency and confidence are key, but it can be tough to maintain them sometimes.
Uh,
It's all about progress, not perfection, right? How do you keep yourself motivated when things get challenging?
yeah, when things get challenging, what I do is I isolate myself. Isolation, it helps a lot, and I have to.
That makes
Yeah, I do meditation, and yeah, it helps.
that sounds like a great approach. Taking time to isolate and meditate can really help clear your mind and recharge your energy. It's like giving yourself a little mental reset. Do you have a favorite meditation technique or practice you like to use?
Yeah, I simply just do some cardio and stuff. So, anyways, Annie, I had a great conversation with you, and it's time for me to go. So, we'll talk again. I had a lot of fun with you. Bye.
I had a blast chatting with you too. I'm glad we could talk about such fun topics. Take care and don't hesitate to reach out again. Bye for now.